In this lesson, I'll be explaining about simple probability. So probability measures how likely an event is going to happen. And I can find the probability by or using this formula, which is the number of ways it can happen over the total number of outcomes. So let's take tossing a coin as an example. So we all know that a coin has a head or a tail. So when a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes. So I can get either a head or a tail. So the probability of a coin landing H, which is head, is 1/2. Why? Because I have only one head, so that's why I have 1 here. And the total number of outcomes is 2 because I have a head and a tail. So the probability is 1/2. While the probability of a coin landing T, which is tail, is as well 1/2 because I have one tail, so that's why it's 1/2, which is the total number of outcomes, a head and a tail. So now let's take throwing dice as a second example. So when a single die is thrown, there are 6 possible outcomes because I have 6 faces. So the probability of getting any one of them, so let's say the probability of getting a 2 is 1/6 because I have 1 2 over the total number of outcomes, which is 6. So the answer is 1/6. Now let's have an example. It says a bag contains 6 red balls and 4 green balls. Find the probability of getting a red ball. So again, what's P of red? So P, the probability of getting a red ball, it is the number of ways that I can get a red ball. So I have 6 red balls, so 6 ways, over the total number of outcomes, which is 6 red and 4 green. So it is 6 plus 4, which is 10. So the answer is 0.6.